In a forest where the trees whispered secrets and the flowers danced, lived Felix, a fox renowned for his unwavering kindness. Felix, with his compassionate nature, stumbled upon Rosie, a lost rabbit, whose eyes reflected fear and confusion. "Greetings, little one. What brings you to this part of the woods?" I lost my way home. I'm scared and don't know how to get back." "Worry not, Rosie. I'll be your guide and lead you safely back home." Felix, with unwavering determination, guided Rosie through the enchanting yet daunting paths of the forest. "Felix, I'm scared of the dark. What if we're lost forever?" "Fear not, Rosie. The night is just another part of our journey. We'll find our way through together." Under the gentle moon's embrace, Felix and Rosie finally reached Rosie's cherished burrow. "I'm home. Thank you, Felix, for your kindness and guidance." With his selfless acts of kindness, Felix bid adieu to Rosie, leaving the forest a better place.